The hagalla step is a great step. It's traditional and it's fun. And today I'm going to show you the absolute basics before next time we're going to go on and do some super fancy stuff. But let's learn how to do the hagalla step. The hagalla step is a faster version of the Egyptian walk. And the technique that I teach in my Egyptian walk video is a perfect preparation for doing this hagalla step. So if you haven't already had a look at my Egyptian walk video, I think it's going to pop up here now. Have a look at that first, and that will give you the basic technique, which will then enable you to do this great little step. Now, a lot of people call the hagalla step a shimmy step. I think that can cause problems because people then start to try and drive it too fast because they're trying to kind of like do a shimmy, and the shimmy will then naturally start to kind of like be a bit twisty like this, yeah? In actual fact, the hips are going up and down in the same way as they did with the Egyptian walk. So if we just remind ourselves of what happens with the Egyptian walk, if I'm going a little bit faster, if you remember from my previous video, I was going and down, 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 yeah? And we went back and up, back and up, back and up, back and up, back, yeah? When I'm doing the hagalla step, I'm just speeding that up. And specifically, a real classic way of doing it is to do it on the forward and back step. So we're going to start off just by going forward and back. So my right foot is coming forward and then it's going back. Can you see that I'm actually stepping on it? Step on the left foot and then the right foot. So I step right foot, left, left, yeah? Forward and back. Now, if I have my knees a little bit soft, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trust my hips. I think that this is the key to doing the hagalla step. Just to trust your hips to know what they're doing, because your hips don't lie. Okay, so remember the way that when we were doing the Egyptian walk, they're going down, up, down, down, yeah? Don't think it up through too much. Just go forward, have your knees nice and soft. Let those hips just naturally find their own place going up and down. I think that a lot of being able to do the hagalla step is just to trust and not try too hard, yeah? Because if you try too hard, then what happens is you tense up. I can feel now my thighs are tensed up and my bum's tensed up. You know, I'm squeezing my buttocks and I'm trying to do this. And it's all starting to go a little bit electric and a little bit mad, yeah? Whereas actually we just want the hips to just very, very relaxedly do their little up and down thing without even thinking about it, yeah? Just nice and easy. So you can also just walk forward, down and a down and a down and a down and a down, and going back, and you can do it on the spot. Yeah, down and down and down and down. Next time, we're going to do all sorts of fancy things with it. We're going to go round in a square, we're going to start doing twists, we're going to do side steps and all sorts of things. But for now, just concentrate on that lovely, easygoing feeling of just going forward and back. Don't push it, don't think about it too much, yeah? Don't tense up, just trust those hips that they know what they're doing. Keep the knees nice and soft, keep the body upright, in the center, nice and relaxed. Feel like it's the most natural thing in the world to be doing. When I was first learning to do the Egyptian walk and the hagalla step, I would do it all the time. When I was doing the vacuuming around the house, I would be going around the house Egyptian walking. Yeah? Just so that those hips got used to the idea that they could go up and down. And that's what you want to be doing with this hagalla step. So, have a good old practice of that. And next time, We're going to do some super fancy ones, as I said. So make sure that you hit the subscribe and the notification bell if you haven't done it already. And I will see you next time for super fancy hagalla stroke Egyptian walk stroke 3/4 shimmies, whatever we can call it. They're called all sorts of different things. See you next time.